here too technical. So today I wanted to do what's on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So I'm going to tell you what's on it, but let me get my screenshot going, and then I'll somewhere in the video put up the actual photo. So let me get this started. So first, at the top here, as you can see, I have my clock widget at the top. So this is the widget I am currently using. It's called Pixel Clock Widget. I'll make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick up all of these apps and widgets that I use. Then coming to the bottom here, I have my Google search bar, so I can get easy access to searching the web if I need to. Then I also am using WKT Widget Pro, and I'm also using WKT Widget, which is a widget that just shows me, it says Tuesday evening, and it shows me the humidity and the air quality, so on and so on. Just some things that I can keep up to date with. Then coming to the bottom here, I have my gallery app, I have my camera app, I have my phone app, I have a folder with apps that I use on a day-to-day basis. So I have Facebook, LinkedIn, Messenger, Instagram, YouTube Studio, Telegram, Threads, X, TikTok, Google Play Store, Google, and my Google email app or Gmail. And then coming to the side, I have my Apple Music, because that is the music that I use of choice. Then I do have my settings app, give me quick access to my settings. And then I also have access to my text messaging app, so I can get in there and text message people that I need to text message. Then I also use the Edge panels, and usually with Edge panels, I just put my favorite contact. That way I can have quick access to calling and texting people in my family. So I pretty much keep all my Android devices looking the exact same, so when I get on one device, I know where I left off on the other device. So pretty much I just have one page of icons, just one page. And then if you slide up, here are the rest of my icons that I use, my apps that I use, but I may not use them as much as I use the ones on my front screen. So that's why they are tucked in here, but I'm not going to go over all of them, because we probably pretty much use the same apps. You might use apps I don't know about. I may use a few apps that you don't know about. But then I also have a folder of just a lot of apps that weren't able to be themed by this icon pack that I'm using. So I just tucked them away in that folder and turned off the color grid behind it, so it looks a lot cleaner and nicer. So I'm currently using Delta. That is the icon pack that I'm using. But like I said, I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go find these apps that I'm using. I'm using Delta, and I'm also using a wallpaper from Delta, which is this wallpaper here. This is the current wallpaper that I'm using. But the reason why my wallpaper looks a little different from that is because I also come here and use blur walls. So I can come in here and make it look even better. So that's what I'm using there. This is what my notification panel looks like. I am currently using Theme Park to get the look and feel of my device. So let me show you Theme Park real quick. So yeah, this is Theme Park that I'm using. I can come in here and edit it. So I pretty much like to match my theme with my wallpaper, pull out colors so it can be real nice and look good as possible if I can. Other than that, that is pretty much what I'm currently using on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Hope you found this video helpful. Like I said, I will drop a link in the description to where you can go download all these apps for yourself. And I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.